1, 2, 3, go.
It's about leaving people better than you found them.
They have created a culture that is transcendent across locations. It tells us what we are about. How many of you want to show up like Superman or Wonder Woman? Raise your hand. Okay. That's the way you want to show up to life.
Let's stop talking about organizations. I think we need to be talking about what a company really is, which is an organism. It's not a company of machines and all of that stuff, right, that we built up around with the factory world and everything. We are living, breathing organisms.
Daren Martin is amazing.
What an energetic, pumped up way to start our convention.
I learn something from him every time that I have the honor or pleasure of hearing him speak, and I highly recommend that you listen to him as well.
Greatest book since Good to Great.
Daren helped me and the leadership team change the trajectory of our company.
I think there's really only one option, that we treat it as our destiny. That this is what we are going to build together. Our new destiny that is nothing short of completely transforming our company.
People are watching you. Make them proud. Make them proud. Make them proud.
Thank y'all.